Late Sir Victor Uwaifo na national asset. OBASEKI na talk this one. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don eulogize late Sir Victor Uwaifo. Obaseki tok say Sir Victor Uwaifo na national asset wey Naija pipo no go forget quick. Obaseki and some ogbonge pipo carry waka go visit late Sir Victor Uwaifo family for im house for Ekenwa Road for Benin. Obaseki come tok so many achievements wey Victor Uwaifo do for 80 years when im stay for life. Obaseki come still tell the family of late Sir Victor Uwaifo say the Sultan of Sokoto call am last night to send his sympathy, say Sir Uwaifo na legend wey influence many generations.
Sir Professor Victor Uwaifo was and is a national asset. The Sultan of Sokoto called me last night to express his condolence, and in his words, he said, Sir Victor Uwaifo was a legend that influenced several generations. We thank God for the life he led, that life of creativity. He achieved so much at such an early age in his life, that he just became like a legend. It was like there forever. What his compositions that became very popularly known for were done in his 20s, more than half a century ago. But that didn't stop him from continuing to be creative and innovative. So much so that in his 80 years on earth, there's practically no sphere of life he didn't transcend. He was in music, he was in the arts, he was in government, he was in academia, and he was an integral part of our society. You cannot talk about Edo State, Benin City, our culture, our art forms, without mentioning Sir Victor Uwaifo. So for us, he's, like I said, a national asset. He's a legend and needs to be and has to be celebrated as such.
President Society Uwaifo, when be the wife of the deceased, come thank Mr. Governor and the people wey follow am come for the visit.
All I have to say is thank you for wanting to be part of his funeral. We really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, for coming to condole with us, for coming to giving us that peace that you are with us and that we are not alone. We thank you, Your Excellency.
This one na the ogbonge informate when TMC News carry come give una. My name na Pentecost Ogurure from Benin.